Good morning, class. Please stand up for opening prayer. Okay, Miss Bulanday, please lead the prayer. Amen. So before you sit down, please pick up some pieces of paper around your chair and arrange your chair properly. Okay, thank you. You will now take your seat. Okay, again, good morning, class. So before that, let's check your attendance first. Boys count off, girls count off. Very good. Perfect attendance. So, before we start our discussion, let's have some recap of what our topic yesterday. So, Mr. Gabisan, what our topic yesterday? Very good. Our topic yesterday, it's all about a language. So, language is a structured system of communication that consists of vocabulary and grammar. So, let's sub have activity first. So, what is this class? Very good. This is an hearing. This is an example of formal register. Next, this is a prayer. So, this is an example of frozen register. Next, this is a friend conversation. This is an example of very good. This is an example of casual register. Next, a family conversation. This is an example of very good. This is an example of intimate register. Last, a teacher and student. This is an example of very good. This is an example of consultative register. Okay, class. Why do people speak differently depending on who they are talking to? Okay, Mr. Cabornay? Thank you. So, according to Mr. Cabornay, speak differently depending on who they are talking to because they adjust their language register to fit the social context. So, what happens if we use the wrong kind of language in a situation? Okay, Miss Bernasor? Thank you. So, according to Miss Bernasor, if we use the wrong kind of language in a situation, it can lead to misunderstanding, offense, or make the conversation feel awkward or disrespect. So, why do you think it's important to use different language register when speaking to people? So, Miss Manggubat, thank you. So, according to Miss Manggubat, it's important to use language register when speaking to people because it shows respect, helps build good relationship, and makes communication more effective. So, who have an idea of our topic for today? Very good. Our topic for today, it's all about a language register. Who can give me a definition of what is language register class? So, language register class is a refers to the level of formality and formality is the speaker's language use. So, do you know class that language register have 5 types? Okay, we have formal register, frozen register, casual register, intimate register, and last, we have consultative register. So, these are the part these are the types of language register. So, let's proceed to formal register. So, please read the definition of formal register. Okay, thank you. Formal register is characterized by precise, elevated language use in professional, academic, or official settings, often involving complex sentence structures and technical vocabulary. So, example of this is a speech or news reporting. Do you understand, class? Okay, very good. Okay, let's proceed to frozen register. So, frozen register refers to the language that is unchanging and remains consistent over time and across uses, often used in formal or ritualistic contexts like legal documents, religious ceremonies, or traditional texts. So example of this class is a God's Prayer and our national anthem. Do you understand, class? Okay, very good. So let's proceed. The third types of language register. We have casual register. This style is common among peers and friends. Jargon, slang, or the vernacular language are used. So example of this class is a friend's conversation. Example lines of friend's conversation is, "What's up, dude?" That is an example of casual register. Do you understand, class? Okay, so let's proceed the intimate register. So intimate register a speech that is about personal topics used between close acquaintances, family members, close friends, and romantic partners. So example of this class is a family conversation. Do you understand, class? Okay, very good. So let's proceed the last types of language register. So we have consultative register. Consultative register, this register is the standard one that is used in professional or formal settings where there is a need to exchange information and provide advice or in any problem. So, example of this class is a doctor and patient. Another example of this class is teacher and student. So, do you have any question regarding to our topic or clarification? Okay, very good. Okay, class, let's proceed to our activity. I will group you into two. These rows will be the group 1. These rows will be the group 2. So, make a short dialogue, 2 to 3 lines for each type of language register. Later that, each group will be present in front. So, I will give you 10 minutes to make and practice. So, okay, time's up. So, group 1 will be the first presenter. Okay, very good, class. So, let's give them a round of applause. Okay, next, group 2 will be the second presenter. Okay, very good, class. Let's give them a round of applause. Okay, now, I will give you a short quiz regarding to our topic. Please get 1/4 sheet of paper. So, identify the appropriate language register being used. I will give you 3 minutes to answer that. Okay, time's up. Let's check your work. So, number 1. What types of register is used when reciting the Pledge of Allegiance? So, what is the answer of this class? Okay, very good. The answer of number 1 is frozen register. So, number 2. Which register is used when talking to your best friend? Okay, very good. The answer of this is casual register. Number 3. Talking to a teacher or doctor uses which type of register? Okay, class, what type of register again? Okay, very good. This is an example of consultative register. So, number 4. A romantic message to a loved one is an example of. Very good. This is an example of intimate. Number 5. Giving a graduation speech uses what type of register? Okay, class. What type of register again? Very good. This register is a formal register. So, do you understand our topic, class? No more clarification? Okay, very good. Okay, for your assignment, draw or count a picture showing example of 5 types of language register and label them. Pass it on our next meeting. Okay, class, before we end our discussion, again, what is language register? Okay, language register is a refers to the level of formality, and formality is a speaker's language use. Okay, class, How many types of language register? Very good. We have 5 types of language register. We have formal register, frozen register, casual, intimate, and consultative. Rather. So, please stand up for our closing prayer. Amen. So before you go out class, please arrange your chair properly. Goodbye class.